Is this thing on? Good evening, everyone. It's Friday at Greg's place. I just saw a video on here on YouTube. It's the David Gilmour Echoes Seagull sound, and it's like a 5-minute video. But it shows how if you have one of those older wah pedals, like a crybaby, if you reverse the chords and just make it only go, don't put it through all your other pedals, just the wah pedal only, and flip it around so that your guitar is going into the out and the amp is going into the in. It's the reverse order, and get a Stratocaster type guitar, and it makes a really interesting sound. So let me show you. I tried it out myself and it does work. So let's see here. You hear that? So yeah, none of the strings work at all, but so you have to work the little volume deals down here. And the pedal does work too, like. So you can make different sounds, or you can just leave the pedal there, and you do the volume on this. Or you can do this. That's strange. So apparently one of the songs, I believe, was like Embryo, I think, on one of the Pink Floyd's albums, they used this. Pretty fun. Alright, that's enough fun. Who'd have thought you could get that kind of crazy sound out of guitar, right? But there's electronics, so just play around with stuff. Who knows? Maybe one of these other pedals can do something crazy too if you reverse order the in and outs. I mean, these are solid state circuits, so nothing to blow here, so it wouldn't hurt. Experimenting, right? That's what we do. We tinker around with electronics. I don't think there's any way you can shock yourself. These are just, it's very low voltage. Basically sound going through metal. So anyway, I don't understand exactly how it all works. I just think it's cool. All right, that's all I got. Yeah, guys, have a good weekend, good Labor Day weekend, and we'll catch you later.